Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are discussing about data structures. Firstly, what is data structure? The data structure name indicates itself that organizing the data in memory. And data structure is a way to store and organizing the data in a meaningful way so that it can be used efficiently. And data structures are a set of algorithms that we can use in any programming language to structure the data in the memory. And coming to the topics of data structures. The topics of data structures are array, strings, linked list, stack, queue, trees, and graphs. So these are called topics of data structures. Next, coming to the point, types of data structures. There are mainly two types of data structures are there. First one is primitive data structures and second one is non-primitive data structures. Firstly, we have to discuss the primitive data structures. The primitive data structures are defined as the primitive data types. The primitive data types are nothing but integer, char means character, and float, double, and pointer. So these are called primitive data types. The primitive data types are nothing but primitive data structures. These are the primitive data structures that can hold a single value. So all the primitive data structures can hold a single value. Next one is non-primitive data structure. The non-primitive data structures is again divided into two types. First one is linear data structure and second one is non-linear data structure. Firstly, discuss about linear data structures. What is meant by linear data structures? The arrangement of data in a sequential manner is known as a linear data structure. And in linear data structures, one element is connected with another element in a linear form. So it is called linear data structures. Some of the linear data structures are arrays, linked list, stacks, and queues. These are called linear data structures. So we can discuss it briefly in this video. We can discuss in depth in further videos. Next videos. So coming to the next point, non-linear data structures. What is meant by non-linear data structures? In non-linear data structures, one element is connected to the n number of elements is known as a non-linear data structures. In non-linear data structures, the elements are arranged in a random manner, and the perfect examples are trees and graphs. So trees and graphs are considered as non-linear data structures. Data structures are again classified into two types based on the compile time and runtime. Those two types are static data structures and dynamic data structures. Firstly, we have to discuss about static data structure. Static means at the compile time. The word static means at the compile time. The static data structure is defined as a type of data structure where the size is allocated at the compile time. Therefore, the static data structures has the fixed size. And second one is dynamic data structures. The word dynamic means at the runtime. So the dynamic data structure is defined as it is a type of data structure where the size is allocated at the runtime. So the dynamic data structure has the size is flexible. So it has a flexible size when compared to the static data structure. So we can insert and delete elements on dynamic data structures. Now next topic is major operations. The operations that can be performed on data structures are first one searching, second one is sorting, third one is insertion, fourth one is updation, and fifth one is deletion. First one, searching operation. In searching operation, we have to search for any element in a data structure. And second one is sorting operation. The sorting operation is used to sort the elements of data structure either in ascending order or in descending order. And coming to the point, insertion operation. Insert means adding. The word insert means adding. In insertion operation, we can also insert or add the new element in a data structure. And next operation is updation operation. In updation operation, we can modify or replace the elements in another element. So the updation operation is used to replace the element with another element. Last one is deletion operation. The word deletion means remove. In deletion operation, we can perform the delete operation to remove the element from the data structures. So the deletion operation is used to remove the element from data structures. So this is the topic. These are the topics we discussed and we learned in this video. Thanks for watching.